What's up guys, in this video we're going to be showing you guys how I rigged the car in my dirt rally animation, okay? So a lot of you guys have been asking for this and I've been saying, oh, launch a tutorial, blah blah blah, but now it's a tutorial how I did it, okay? So first you need, if you want it to jump and you want it to have some sort of bumps in the road, you have to have the bumps in the road first. So I have this road that I made and I added bumps using the displace modifier right here. So I'll show you what it looks like without it on and stuff. It looks like a normal road. Now basically it's how you do it, right? So I made the road, long story short, okay? Make the road have bumps in it, some sort of bumps. Now you need the add-on launch control. Now some of you guys may be saying, hold it right there, Josh. That shit paid, eh? That shit paid? Now guys, not gonna say anything, but Telegram is a software and there's if you search stuff up on Google, you know, there's workarounds if you get what I'm saying. So you gotta figure out how to rig your car. So first, I've already rigged my car, but I'm gonna unrig that bitch. So some of you guys might be saying, there's a problem with rigging my car, it says this bullshit option, not XYZ Ealer. What you gotta do is simply, one of your objects have the quadrant, you gotta turn to XYZ Ealer. Now once you do that, you can essentially rig your car properly. Now our car is back in business, okay? Rig the vehicle again. Now this is the scene you come up with. Now, essentially, what you gotta do is you gotta get your road as your path. So now we have your road. Set the thing so it's not going 500,000 miles an hour. I think I did it like 500 frames. There you go. Now all you gotta do is animate the physics. Now, with those physics being animated, some of you guys might be saying, hold on, shit, I actually played a video. Now some of you guys might be saying, Josh, yeah, this is cool now, where the fuck is our car? No need to stress. Now it's on the body and shit. Now if you guys want the bumps in the road, you guys might be saying, Josh, why is our car not sticking? Now under the launch control, there should be a ground detection. Just don't delete it yet, but first you gotta set your good ground environment there, put it to the ground detection, okay? Now it should be sticking to the road, and then delete the other bullshit that they give you, okay? Now you play it, and okay, that's fire, man, that's fire, it's already fire. Now some of you guys might be seeing this and say, yeah, that shit fire, but no. Now you gotta turn on speed segments. Now you should see this graph in the graph editor, right? Now basically what you gotta do is press A, T, and then linear so that it goes at a constant speed, unless it doesn't need to go at a constant speed. Now once you have that, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, get out of pose mode, guys. Now go to your body in your car, and then now you see this now should just be linear, right? Linear, right? Now turn on physics, and you should see here the different presets. Rally car, you could do that, but I didn't do that. But now you may be saying, Josh, man, it's really hard to get the physics of the car. How do you get it to bounce and shit? But yeah, guys, that's essentially how I made my car model, how I made my car drive and have physics and stuff. Now, of course, you have to bake the physics. And guys, for those of you that are trying to do this shit on a render farm, let's say you use any type of render farm and it's just not getting the physics in there, right? Simply, what you gotta do is you gotta get all your objects right here, right? Objects, animation, and bake action, right? Now with that, you have to turn on visual keying, clear constraints, clear parents, and then press OK. Now you have all the keyframes here, so now it's not baked in your project file, it's now baked in the actual keyframes. Now I can do whatever I want with it, you know, it works, right? So that's just for final tips and tricks, guys, and I am so hungry. See you next time. Please subscribe to my Patreon and shit. See you guys.